Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, heated seats, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.